Welcome to my new series, Chetna's Healthy Indian, where I'll be cooking recipes which are good for you, which I normally cook for my family, and they love it and it's delicious. And it's from my new book, Chetna's Healthy Indian. You can find all the written recipes in the book and it's out now, so you can get your copy soon. So here are all the ingredients for a very quick, delicious, healthy salad. All the ingredients will go in a bowl and there you have it, it's ready. Starting with 400 grams of tinned chickpeas, which I have rinsed. That will go into a bowl with a cucumber which I have roughly chopped, which will go in as well. And then I've got a large red onion, just because I like more onion. You can use a smaller one if you like. I love the crunch and the flavor that goes into the salad as well. And I have got one big tomato which I've chopped in small pieces. You can use cherry tomatoes if you like. Now I've got some fresh herbs here, so a good pinch of fresh coriander leaves and a good pinch of fresh mint leaves, and then a pinch of salt, just enough to flavor it. And the key is 2 tablespoons of mango, coriander and mint chutney. And then all you have to do is mix it up well and then just serve it absolutely fresh. If you want, you can chill it in the fridge before you eat it for half an hour, which will make it even more fresh. That's it. Combine it all well and serve with your meal. And here is the simplest of salads, which is not just light and leafy. It's got some substance to it, which I like. It's great in the summers on its own, but in the winters, when it's served with some hearty, warming lentils or a curry, it's brilliant. Right, I'm going to dig in. It's got crunch, so much flavor from the chutney. You can add a bit more to it. You can sprinkle some black pepper. You could add a squeeze of lime to just, if you want it a bit more sour with a hit, and chop some green chilies in it, which will give it a lovely kick. And this recipe is from my new book, Chetna's Healthy Indian. I'm loving cooking this home Indian, healthy, delicious food. All these recipes will be on the channel in my new series. But you can order your copy now. The link is in the description box and up here. And just let me know what you think. If you've bought the book already, then please let me know your thoughts. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Join me next week for another healthy Indian. And till then, bye for now. I need to plate up and enjoy this meal.